In this video, I will be showing you how to delete the professional email account. So let's get started with the video. Once we logged into GoDaddy account, we need to click My Products tab from the drop-down menu. And next, we need to click My Account in the top bar of the page. And from the drop-down list, select Email and Office tab. And down the page, click the Manage button corresponding to the email account. To delete the professional email account, we need to click and enter Delete Account section. And in the pop-up window, click the Delete button. Once deleted, all the content in the email account deleted forever. And done, the professional email account deleted. And this brings us to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the like, comment, and share the video if you found it helpful.